Hi guys, ijntek here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Note that the specs of Galaxy S22 Ultra is based on rumors and leaks, so considering the dimensions of S22 Ultra is not confirmed yet. S21 Ultra dimensions 165.1 by 75.6 by 8.9 mm and 6.5 by 2.98 by 0.35 inches. The weight of S22 Ultra is not confirmed, while S21 weight 227 grams. The body build of S22 Ultra is made up of glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus, glass back, aluminum frame, and S21 Ultra is also made of glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus, glass back, aluminum frame. Both has single SIM nano SIM and eSIM or dual SIM, nano SIM plus eSIM, dual standby. The S22 Ultra and S21 Ultra has IP68 dust and water resistant. They also have a stylus support. Talking about the display, S22 Ultra will come with dynamic AMOLED 2X, 120Hz, HDR10+, 1500 nits. Meanwhile, S21 Ultra has dynamic AMOLED 2X, 120Hz, HDR10+, 1500 nits. The screen size of both S22 Ultra and S21 Ultra is said to be 6.8 inches, and the resolution of S22 Ultra is 1440 by 3200 pixels, 20:9 ratio, 516 ppi density, while S21 Ultra is 1440 by 3200 pixels, 20:9 ratio, 515 ppi density. Both is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and is always on display. The OS, Android 12, One UI 4, and Android 11, One UI 3.1. The memory capacity, no microSD card for both devices. For S22 Ultra internal storage, 128GB for 12GB RAM, 256GB for 12GB RAM, 512GB for 12GB RAM, and 512GB for 16GB RAM in both of the device and also UFS 3.1. The chipset S22 Ultra will feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Exynos 2200 depending on the region, while S21 Ultra comes with Exynos 2100 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G. Both uses octa-core CPU, and Mali G78MP14 and Adreno 660. Speaking on the camera setup, S22 Ultra has 108MP f1.8 wide, 10MP f4.9 periscope telephoto, 10x optical zoom, 10MP f2.4 telephoto, 3x optical zoom, 12MP f2.2 ultra wide, super steady video, features LED flash, auto HDR, panorama. On the video, 8K at 24 fps, 4K at 30, 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30, 60, 240 frames per second, 720p at 960 fps, HDR10+. Selfie camera, single 40MP, f2.2 wide, and dual video call, auto HDR, video 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30 fps. For the S21 Ultra, 108MP f1.8 wide, 10MP f4.9 periscope telephoto, 10x optical zoom, 10MP f2.4 telephoto, 3x optical zoom, 12MP f2.2 ultra wide, super steady video, features LED flash, auto HDR, panorama, video 8K at 24 fps, 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30, 60, 240 frames per second, 720p at 960 fps, HDR10+. Selfie camera, single 40MP, f2.2 wide, features dual video call, auto HDR, video 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30 fps. Both device has loudspeaker, with stereo speakers, no head jack for both device. It has Wi-Fi 802.11, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS yes, NFC yes, for both device, USB Type-C 3.2, USB on the go. On the sensor side, both smartphones has fingerprint under display, ultrasonic, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer, Samsung DeX, Samsung Wireless DeX desktop experience support, Bixby natural language commands and dictation, Samsung Pay, ultra-wideband support. Speaking of the battery, both has a Li-ion 5000 mAh, non-removable, S22 Ultra equipped with 45W fast charging, and S21 Ultra has a 25W fast charging. Its USB power delivery 3.0, fast Qi wireless charging 15W, reverse wireless charging 4.5W. The price. S22 Ultra price not confirmed yet, and S21 Ultra cost $1,199. In conclusion, based on rumor, S22 Ultra has the highest rated. So be rest assured that all the specification regarding Galaxy S22 Ultra is based on rumors and leaks, but will update you guys when there's any changes. Please support my channel by subscribing, comment, like the video, share. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.